Hello, welcome to Tech Select with me, Linus. Now, today's video is a response to somebody's comment, and it's all about cheaper cash and how you can withdraw your money, especially that you have put into cryptocurrency. Let's go. Right, so to withdraw your money, especially that is in Bitcoin, all we need, of course, is your phone, cheaper cash app installed, and then we can now go ahead and get to how one, you put in the money, and how two, you get to withdraw it. But before we get into all those details, one, if you're new to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe. Most of you, if you can see this, are not subscribed to this channel, and that little subscription does help us push the channel very far. And then also, if you are a member already, welcome back, and thank you so much for watching my content. Now let's get straight to this. Step one, let's add some cash. Now, of course, in order to add cash, let's take it in a bit by bit angle. Step one, how to add cash to your cheaper cash. You need, have your MTN number or Airtel, whatever number you use to register it with. That is mine over there. You enter an amount you want to put. For this purposes of this video, let's put some 10,000 shillings, and then that's Uganda shillings though. Then we go to add cash, and then of course now it brings you this login thing here, Pegasus Technologies Limited. Enter your Momo pin. Now punch that in, and then you go request received successfully once you put in your pin. Now this is how you load your money from your mobile money to your cheaper cash. Why I'm going through all of this is these are some of the comments you people out there have been leaving for me. One, how do I load money into my cheaper cash wallet? How do I buy cryptocurrency? How do I buy stocks? So I'm just trying to take it in a step-by-step way, so that we can answer so many things in one video. So now that we have loaded our money to the account, it takes a while, some time for it to reflect into your wallet. Let me just log out here and log back in, and then we see if it has reflected by now. Yes, so it has reflected. So if you refresh and it doesn't reflect, just close the app, reopen it, your money will be there. Now we go over to our invest tab, right? So now in invest over here, like I said, up is stocks, and on your left is stocks, and then on your right is crypto. Now we'll go over to crypto. So for purposes of this video, let's buy some Bitcoin. So let's go buy Bitcoin of about 10,000 Uganda shillings. That will be 0.0000. Hey, man, that too many 0.0s. We hit next, and then confirm you want to buy crypto worth 10,000 Uganda shillings, and you say buy now, and then you have bought crypto. It's that simple in terms of buying your crypto. So after buying your Bitcoin, if you go back to your home screen, this amount of money here at the top shows you how much you have in your cheaper cash wallet. Now this is what you can actually withdraw. Now there's a big difference between what is in your cheaper cash wallet and what is in your crypto cash wallet. Reason being, this here is what is in your cheaper cash wallet is like what you have and you can withdraw now. You can convert it into mobile money. What is in your crypto wallet is still invested in those different cryptocurrencies. So if we go back to our invest tab over here, and then we want to withdraw money, like we said earlier, we want to turn this 10,000 shillings, which say in our crypto portfolio balance, you want to turn it into money you can withdraw and actually get to use. You go to Bitcoin. In this case, I bought Bitcoin. So don't go to Bitcoin only. You can, depending on what you have, maybe Ethereum, you put 500,000, maybe Dogecoin, you put in 1,000,000 shillings, stuff like that. In my case, I only have 10,000 on Bitcoin. So I'll choose in that Bitcoin, I'd click sell. And then here it asks you how much do you want to sell. Let's say I want to sell for 5,000. I put it in right there. I click next. And now it will come to give you a confirmation message saying confirm that you want to sell 5,000 worth of Bitcoin. Then to show you the price and all the total things right there. Then I click sell now. Okay, once it is sold, it will tell me you have sold that amount of Bitcoin, 0.00 something Bitcoin, and then we click done. Now if we go back just one step and go back to your crypto portfolio, you now see our money has reduced. It came from 10,000, now we are left with 5,138, meaning we have already subtracted or withdrawn the other 5,000 that we just did withdraw. Now if you go back to home, and at the top, the upper bit of your cheaper cash wallet, up where it says wallet, if you click that now, you say it shows you your actual cash balance now that balance would be, in my case, is 6,600. I had only 1,000, and now the 5,000 I moved from my Bitcoin sell has now been moved to my wallet. Now in my wallet, if I want, to convert this money into mobile money, maybe I want to purchase something, let's say something physical that needs cash. Maybe you want to pay some school fees and you need cash. Maybe you just want to, have that money off your phone and have it in physical. All you have to do now is just go to your wallet, click up here, and down here where it says cash out, you click cash out. Of course, it will bring your the number that you used for registering your Chipper Cash account. Then it will ask you to enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. In this case, I would enter my 5,000 that I want to get back into mobile money, and then I would click cash out. Now, once you click cash out, that money automatically gets withdrawn from your Chipper Cash wallet, and then it is sent over to your phone as mobile money, which you can subtract withdraw from any agent or bank, depending on how you set up your account. I hope this video has been as informative as possible. In case you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section, and I'll make sure I do try my best to reply whatever it is you ask. If I don't know something, because to be honest, I also don't know everything, but if I don't know something, I'll ask the people who do know, and I'll definitely be coming here to explain it to you and also to give you this information as you require it. Remember, drop a comment in case you have not understood anything, or if you're just giving us feedback, drop that comment, and also do subscribe and also share this video with your friends so that they can get to know this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.